Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to change the video background in CapCut. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to CapCut on your computer screen and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my computer screen. Click on Create Project to proceed. Once the CapCut video editor opens up on the screen, let's import a video to change the background. On the left side, navigate to the Media tab and click on Import. Select a video, and then click on the Open button. Once the video is imported into the Media tab, drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. Now, to remove or change the video's background, navigate to the Video tab and open the Remove Background section. Enable the first option, which is Auto Removal. But before enabling it, I will decrease the video duration by stretching from one side. Now, check mark the box to enable it, and you can see the removal progress here. Wait a few moments to complete the process. You can see that the video background is magically removed, and now, let's add a new background. You can import a background, or from the left side, explore the Stock Material tab. You can search by entering a keyword in the search bar, or scroll down to find the required background. Once you find it, drag it onto a new track and adjust the video and background clip on the track accordingly. Now let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can change the background in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.